Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share this journal with you. This is a 6x9 journal. It's really pretty much my usual. It has a charm on the side which is held by a paper clip. So this is the spine. It's purplish, and I have added some clear resin on the picture here on the cover, and it says bonheur, which in French means happiness, and it's a chunk, as you can see, and the closure is this ribbon with eyelets on either side. So let me share with you the charm. It's a lot of purplish beads. It's got a bee, it's got a tassel. I mean, very plain, but very pretty when hanging on the side. So let's go inside. Very happy to be back. It's been a while. My mojo has been on and off, so when it's there, I will be crafting, and when it's not, I will be exercising to get it back. So when you get in it, first page has got the description with 2 tags at the back, a little decoration on the pocket. This kit I bought from an Etsy store. I will put it in the description box below if you're interested. It's gorgeous. It's got gorgeous purple and flowers, so I really loved it. Here you have a pocket with a little tag, and here a little envelope with little words in there, little die cuts. Here another pocket. Here it's got vellum paper, and so basically I dug into my purple paper stash and got to use all of them. I love purple, so I have plenty on the side. And just here's another pocket, and here there's a tuck spot here, and this little tag is 2 pieces of paper. I'll put it back here. Then in the middle of the first signature, you have this little notepad, or I don't know which you want to call it. It's been stitched at the top, so you can use that as a takeaway journal and then put it back when it's full. Added some lace and so on and so forth. It's a very very busy journal, but still plenty of space to journal in it. Tuck spot, pockets everywhere, a lot of stitching, a lot of laces. It's got basically all my favorites. Doilies, stitching, yeah. And here I have printed those purple dresses, ladies, on some book pages, and added them there as pockets. Here the middle of the second signature, I've done the same concept here. So another takeaway journal, very plain, very cute. Here you can tuck things in there, and then at the back as well. I love this pocket. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I really like the way it's done. Yeah. Anyway, so basically it's the same concept all the way up until the end. Here's another one. Beautiful. And those kits, I think there are 2 or 3 of them. I will add all of them in the description box below because they're really pretty. And then these, I just printed these shapes on the purple paper that I have in my stash. Here a little slit for this tag. Here I printed on some oh, what do you call it, tracing paper. Yeah. And then middle of the last signature, was it last? No, actually there's 4 signatures, so that's not the last, that's the 3rd one. So there you go. This is already purchased. at the time I'm making this video, and the lady purchased it for her friend, and that's very beautiful. So I'm gonna ship it directly to her friend, and more little envelopes with things in them, and so I'm taking advantage that I'm about to wrap it up. And that's the middle of the last signature and another one of the takeaway journals. So I'm taking advantage that I'm about to wrap it and mail it, to film this quick video to show it to you. And because I really haven't had time to share much. And that's it. So it's quite thick. It's got plenty of space to journal. I hope she's a journaler, or at least a crafter, so she can I hear she's going on a trip, and so I think it's going to be a beautiful thing to have this journal to document her travels and all that. So I'm really hoping that she will like it, and I thank you all so much for hanging around with me today, and I'll see you around soon. Happy crafting. Bye.